What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online with this underground method using Google Books. You won't need to go ahead and create your own website for this method. We don't need to do any of that complicated stuff in this tutorial. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do everything step by step. We're not going to miss out any steps in this tutorial. And the best part about this is we can use AI to do this very quickly, and this is also free. We can do this for completely free and we can make money online. So let's jump into this tutorial. Don't forget to smash that like button. We do have cash giveaways coming back very soon, so keep a lookout for those, and let me show you how you can make money online with this underground. Before we jump into the tutorial, I just want to show you how much private investment has been put into generative AI just in 2003 alone. This doesn't even include this year. So AI started off pretty slow with investment, and then it boomed last year, and I suspect it's probably even bigger this year. AI is blowing up right now. We can use AI pretty much in everything, and you've probably seen it around all over the internet. We're going to be using AI in this tutorial. If you haven't started making money right now, you want to jump onto this stuff and you want to start using AI to make money online. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to get started. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how you can earn a 70% revenue split from this particular method, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So let's jump into this, but first I want to show you how we can actually create the content for this, and we can create all of the content using AI ChatGPT, and you can do this with the free version if you like, or you can use the other version. I'll show you how to do it in this tutorial. But the first thing we need to do is we need to do some research on the content that we're going to create. So I would recommend you go to googletrends.com and go to explore, and then what you want to do is you want to put it onto worldwide, and we want to go ahead and we want to find trending topics. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and you can do like in the last 90 days if you like, in the last 30 days, but what I like to do is I like to do it in the last 12 months. So what is popular in the last 12 months? Now this is the column here, so search topics. What this means is this is people that are searching for these specific search terms, and these are the most popular ones in the last 12 months in the entire world. Now I'm going to go ahead with ChatGPT in this. I know that sounds a bit weird. We're going to do content on ChatGPT using ChatGPT, but this is the most popular search term in the last 12 months. So that's what we're going to be jumping on in this tutorial. Now keep in mind, this is also rising. So what I mean is this is the #1 rising topic. So we have the top topics, but this is the rising ones. This is what's the most important part, because we know that because this is rising, this is popular and it's continuing to be popular. So let's go and create some content around ChatGPT. Now what we're going to be doing in this video is we need to go ahead and we need to create books that we get a 70% revenue split on, and I'll show you how to upload them and everything like that, but we get a 70% revenue split. So let's go ahead and create the content, and then we'll come back and I'll explain to you what all of this actually is. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT, and what you can do is you can actually do this with ChatGPT 4.0, 4.0, or 4 or 3.5. But to make this easier, we're going to go to Explore GPTs and we're going to put in ebook. Okay, we want to make an ebook, and there is lots of different types of ebooks here that we can go and GPTs that we can use. I'm going to go with the top one, which has 10,000 uses already, and we're going to click on that, and it's a 4.5 review, which is pretty good out of 5. Considering a lot of them are usually 4, and we're going to go start chat. Now I actually already have a prompt ready to go, and this is what I'm going to ask the ChatGPT to do for me. I'm going to say, write me a 12-page ebook explaining step by step how to use ChatGPT for complete beginners, and make sure it's step by step. The people reading this book will be complete beginners to ChatGPT. Remember, we are creating an ebook based on the ChatGPT software, and we're using ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and do that and see what this ebook creator can actually do for us. So it makes us an introduction, and then it goes ahead and it's going to make us a table of contents. And then as you can see right now, we are using AI to go ahead and create this content for us right before your eyes. Now, as you can see, it's actually doing a very good job of actually doing this for us. Hopefully we can export this into a PDF at the end so we don't have to copy everything over. but this is actually doing a very good job. All right, guys, now ChatGPT has actually finished this ebook for me. We can see here it's got a table of contents, it's got a few chapters, etc., and it's actually got some prompts here and stuff to do. Now, I will say, that's actually another version of it. I will say that there is actually an issue with ChatGPT right now that I'm dealing with. So usually at the end, you can say, I want to export as PDF or export this book for me in PDF format, and it will actually export it for you. Now, I am having a little bit of trouble doing that for this tutorial. It seems to be stuck on analyzing, and I'm actually also getting errors. But usually you can export the book in a PDF format. Now, I actually already have the book here. I went and copied it into Google Documents just for this tutorial, but I have the PDF right here. The format's not very good, but you would obviously clean it up. But if you actually export it from ChatGPT, it's usually very clean and ready to go. So we have the book and it's all ready. I've actually exported it my own way because this is actually not working right now, the export feature. ChatGPT is actually very slow tonight for me. The next step is you want to go to this website right here, and we can actually edit our PDF for free, so we can put in images and stuff like that. So I'm just going to upload my file here and show you exactly what you can do. Now keep in mind this formatting is terrible, but it will look much better when you actually export from ChatGPT. I just pasted it into Google Documents for this tutorial. But what you can do is you can go ahead and you can add links, for example, onto specific things. You can add images if you like, and you can do really whatever you want to this PDF, or to this book, I should say. You can do whatever you like. And once you've actually done that, you can hit apply changes. But the best thing about this is you can use it to add images to your book. Now, ChatGPT, depending on what ebook creator you use, there is another one here. Let me show you real quick. All right, sorry, ChatGPT is playing up today. So if we go to ebook right here, this one here, Kerwin's ebook lead magnet generator, this one will actually give you an option to create images inside your book. However, the images are not always the best, but you could do that if you like, rather than adding images this way. But you can use this free editor to edit your PDF book. So now you can go ahead and make money with this. So how do we make money with this? Let me show you. We're going to go over to Google Books, and I'm going to put in something like ChatGPT. It's like a search engine for Google Books, and as you can see here, we have ChatGPT for Dummies, Beyond AI, Ultimate ChatGPT Handbook, Killer ChatGPT Prompts, etc. And as you can see, these have book covers and stuff like that. You can also use ChatGPT to create a book cover if you like, but this is how we're going to go ahead and make money using Google Books. The first step you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to the Google, go to the Books Partner Center. You can put that into Google if you like, and it's going to give you these pages right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go get started. And keep in mind, guys, the books are live in 75 countries, and there's over 3 billion Android users for these books. And you want to put in that you're a self-published author, and then you want to put in your name, your country, your website, and phone number. And I just went ahead and did that, and then we're going to go ahead and click on, you don't need to do any of that. We're going to go, I'm not a robot, and we're going to go to I agree. Now it's creating the partner program for us. And now this is going to be where your account is. And now you're going to be in your account backend. You want to follow a few steps. You want to go to create a payment profile, then link your bank account, then do your tax information, and then add your first book. And then on the add your first book section, you can select the type of book that you're going to be selling, and then you can go through the process of actually selling your book on Google. And that's really all there is to it, guys. The way you're going to make your money is you're going to get a 70% revenue share split on sales in 60+ countries, regardless of price. And that's how you're going to actually make your money. Now, Google Books isn't massive right now, and this is good because you can get in early to actually go ahead and get your book published on Google Books, so you can make money in the future when this actually starts to blow up. All right, guys, super simple. Use ChatGPT to go and create content. Go ahead and upload it to Google Books, and then get a 70% revenue split on all of your sales from your books. I'll see you in the next video.